In this video, I'm going to show you the antioxidant power of calcium ion or calcium ion water. So before that, I'm going to briefly talk about what is the purpose of antioxidant or what is oxidation. Okay. In modern disease, there are two main causes, which is the first one, which I already mentioned in the previous video, which is acidity or acidosis. So you need the alkalinity of the calcium ion to neutralize the acid. And then the second cause of modern disease is oxidation or the attack of free radical. Free radicals is like a particles that is unstable. Let's say this is free radical. So then this is your body cell. So when there are one free radical, it becomes unstable. They are looking for electron. They are looking for negative ions. So they usually will rob the cell. They will rob the electron from the cell. So when they rob the electron from the cell to stabilize the cell, this free radical stabilize. But these become free radical. So they will look for another thing in the body or another cell in the body and rob the electron. So this series will go on for 1,000 times. That's why one free radical can cause a chain of reaction, which is very, very harmful to the body. This is the oxidation inside our body is the result why we get old or aging. And on the serious case, they cause certain disease such as if the free radical attack Langerhans cells in the pancreas, it causes diabetes 1. If the free radical attack your joint, it causes arthritis. If the free radical attack and change the structure of your DNA, you get cancer. So free radical or oxidation is very, very harmful, and it's the main cause of modern disease. And the source of free radical is everywhere around, because in leaving the city, the friction between the tires and the road cause a lot of electric charge, which is positive, which is free radicals. So now we need negative ions. That's why they come out A ionizer and things. But nothing is more concentrated and more effective than calcium ion, because it's very concentrated in a liquid. You drink it, you're not breathing it. You drink 1 glass of calcium ion water, it's just like you breathe in front of the machine, the A ionizer machine, for 1 whole day, because it's very concentrated. How concentrated it is, I will show you now. Right. First, I'm going to prepare water. So I will use distilled water. So distilled water is to represent, okay, let's compare 3 water together. Alright. So this is mineral water or your usual drinking water. Even you bring the expensive water from the Fuji mountain or from France underground, it's the same. It's mineral water. So that test, let's see what is the antioxidant value. And then this is distilled water, and this is also distilled water. Okay. So why I put these two? Because this one I'm gonna change it to become calcium ion water. So I will take 1 capsule of calcium ion. I will take 1 capsule of calcium ion from here. So here. Alright, this calcium ion. I put a little bit of it inside this small glass. Okay, just a few. You see? You still see? But I put a little here. Actually, 1 capsule can usually you can turn a big bottle of distilled water like this. Actually, 2 bottles it turns into alkaline. This is how concentrated it is. So okay, now this water becomes calcium ion or alkaline calcium ion water. So now how am I going to test the antioxidant value? First of all, let's check. Okay, this one I put a little bit more because it's unfair. Later you complain it's unfair. Alright, now this is given the amount of water. Okay, I will use betadine. I'm not using any advanced measurement machine or electronic gadget, because you may say I'm making some tricks with the machine. So I'm not using any funny things. You can repeat the same demo at home as well. So I will use betadine, which is an iodine. So iodine, because we use as an antiseptic. So when you get cuts, we use betadine on the wound to prevent bacterial infection, because it oxidizes the bacteria. So I use this liquid to represent the free radical in our body. So, and if the water contain any antioxidant value or the negative ion, we can neutralize this one. You won't see the color when I drop this inside. So, alright, without further ado, let me drop. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drops here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drops here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drops here. So it's equally same amount. There's no trick. It's exactly the same drops. 5 drops. I put nitric gases. So now I stir this one. This is mineral water. You see? You can still see the iodine here. So because it means it does not have any antioxidant function. Same for distilled water. Okay. And let me see. Let's see. You see? It's clear. Because this water, the calcium ion water, contains very high antioxidant value, or the alkalinity can neutralize. Actually, it's not the alkalinity, it's the charge, the electronic charge, the static charge inside the water or inside the minerals that turn the water become very rich in electrons, which can donate to this and make it in the ion form instead of in iodine. It becomes iodide. So this is antioxidant of the calcium ion power. Before that, I make a comparison. Commonly, when we talk about antioxidant, people will think of what vitamin C, vitamin E, beta-carotene, or all sort of herbs that said to have antioxidant value. It's very easy. You drop it inside. Okay, vitamin C. It is commonly known to have antioxidant value. Even you bring betadine or beta-carotene or vitamin E, it has an antioxidant. Now I put 1 tablet of vitamin C inside. So I crush it. So I put in this water. So it neutralizes it. It's an antioxidant value because it really does have antioxidant because it's proven, scientifically proven. But another option to this is try. This is calcium ion water. It still have antioxidant power even though it already neutralized 5 drops. Now I put a little bit inside. You can see it makes it clear. So what I'm trying to stress here is, you see here, you see the vitamin C is still there. Yes, it has the antioxidant, but it has the coloring start to come out, and there are some other chemical compound that makes it a tablet still inside. So already research has shown that taking this kind of synthetic vitamin does not really help the body. Take a look around. You can see people every day they take the vitamin C in this tablet form. Look at them; they are not really any healthier. So, but the real source of the most reliable source of vitamins is from fruits, fresh fruits, because these are very refined vitamins. In the experiment, yes, you can still see, but vitamin is absorbed in the small intestine. It has to pass through the high acidity in the stomach, and then have to pass through high alkaline in the duodenum. It already decomposed. Let's say initially the vitamin C is this structure. By the time it reaches the small intestine ready to absorb into the bloodstream, it's no more in the shape of vitamin C. I don't know what it is, because this is refined. Then you might ask, then how our body absorb vitamin C? Actually, if you take vitamin C in its natural form, which is in fruits, fruits contains what? Fiber. Fiber cannot be digested. Fiber is like a protective layer that protects the vitamin C until it reaches the small intestine to be absorbed. That's why the most effective source of vitamins, not only vitamin C, is from fruits. But for water, because this is very fine, with small particles which we will talk about later, this electric charge, remember, antioxidant is about the charge, not about the pH or the minerals. It's about the charge the minerals carries. So this charge will start to travel around your body as soon as it touches your lips. When you start to drink it, it starts to absorb from the moment you drink it. So it's very effective. They have a test shown that the drinking calcium ion, alkaline calcium ion water, which is very rich in electrons, is 100 times, at least 100 times more effective, faster to be absorbed than synthetic vitamin.